Hey everybody, welcome to 2019. For some of you that have made it, congratulations. For some of you that are still sleeping, you'll get here eventually. But for right now, please like and hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. I got a few seconds. Did you hit it? Good. And thank you, because we all have to help each other with this. If we all want to grow with a YouTube family, we have to help each other. That's how you grow. You get new subscribers, you learn from what other people are doing, and these guys that have been on there for years and they're doing a lot of YouTube channels, they're being successful because they've been down this road in the beginning. Just like even myself. When I started doing it, I had no idea what I was doing. To try and get like 1,000 subscribers or 1,000 views, I didn't know what I was doing. I mean, this was all brand new to me. I've been doing this for a few weeks now, roughly 3 weeks, and you know what? I have learned a tremendous amount of information on what to do and what not to do. You'll always be learning with it. For the guys that have been doing it for years, pay attention to what they're doing. These guys who have, 600, 700, or, 1,000 subscribers, 1,000,000 subscribers, they got a really good idea of what they're doing. They have figured out a formula, which is fantastic. So pay attention to what they're doing. Make a really, really good subject matter. That is definitely important. That is one. Okay, make your subject matter count. Don't just bring up some boring subject matter and just think that, okay, I'm going to put a video out there and I'm going to get all these likes and views and I'm going to become rich overnight. It's not that simple. You will put in a lot of work. Trust me, you will put in a lot of time, shooting your videos, reshooting your videos. Sometimes these guys have to take their videos and edit them. That's understandable. But think through your video. Think through what you want to talk about. So this way, when you do a video, do it around 15 minutes. Okay, don't drag it out too long because you might lose your audience. So, and if you think it through and you do your video nice and solid all the way through for 15 minutes without having to edit it and chop it all up, it looks way better. It does. Trust me, I've seen more videos that are all chopped up and I thought I fell asleep for a second, like, okay, what the hell just happened? So, doing all that, it's perfect. Think through what you want. Make a really good subject matter. Thumbnails are definitely important. YouTube will just make its own thumbnail. If you're happy with it, run with it. If not, you can change it. It's perfect. So, also, spend, you're going to be uploading. If you want to really become successful, put a lot of videos out there. I'm not saying put 20 of them a day on there, but, like they say, the minimum is like maybe 2, 3 a week. Me, I try and do one every single day. And it doesn't have to be just the same subject matter. You can do different subject matters, but make it trendy. Make it where it catches people's attention. That seems to be the key thing too. If you make it where people really like your subject matter, and then they watch it, and YouTube will pay attention. It's called your analytics. Your analytics will show you, excuse me, how many people have looked at your videos, and they will also, it will show you how long, the average person had looked at your videos. If you shoot a 15-minute video and you only get maybe like a minute of, somebody looking at it, then maybe you should, kind of maybe pay attention to what you might have done wrong. Reshoot your video, and maybe that will help. But to these people that are out there that have done videos for a very, very long time, they have, excuse me, got a tickle in my throat. These people that have, 600,000-700,000 views and everything else like that, they're doing something correct. And they've probably been around a long time too. YouTube has changed since, I think, the summertime, since June. They changed a lot of things. For you to get monetized, you have to have, 4,000 watch minutes. It sounds like a lot, but if you break it down in hours, it's not too bad. I think it's like 67 hours or something like that. And you have to have 1,000 subscribers. That's understandable. It's a goal, And then once you get monetized, then you can start working on, okay, how do I do, my ads in there, things like that. And when you do hit that 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch minutes, it's not instantaneous. I said it before in my other video. It takes a little bit. They have to review it. And once you get that okay, you're golden. then you can start doing, more. You can, view, what's the word I'm looking for here? You can basically start doing more with your videos, because if I'm right in the beginning, even when I did my videos, anything that was over 15 minutes, it didn't want me to upload it. But I think once you get monetized, it might be a little bit different. But spend a lot of time doing your homework. Ton of it. Watch other videos. Watch these guys that are getting a lot of views and have a lot of subscribers. Not saying be just like them. Don't do that one. Oh no. Be yourself. If you got a good sense of humor, hey, run with it. People like funny stuff all the time. There's tons of videos out there. But, like I said, have a good subject matter. That's one. Number two, pay attention to a lot of videos. That's doing your homework. Number three, make your videos nice and clean. Make them where they're not all chopped up and edited and all that. It looks way, 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 way better. Think your subject matter through. Do something trendy. Don't do like a really boring subject matter. It's, no one's going to watch it. Okay, number 7, upload a lot. It does help. It does take a little while for YouTube to show like your minutes, how many people have viewed. If I do it on my home computer, it doesn't show me right away, but if I do it on my phone and look it up, it seems to be more accurate, which does help out a lot. The other thing, you don't have to spend, hundreds and, a couple $1,000s on really good cameras and that. You can use, if you have a really good cell phones have come a long way, especially for doing video. They're fantastic now. If you have an iPhone, they seem to work really well. They have more than one microphone in them, which helps out a lot. So you can use your phone to start out, do your homework, do a good subject matter, do a video around 15 minutes, make it trendy, and pay attention to what other people are doing. And with those things, everybody should start seeing you. Don't upload like once a month or once a week. It's going to be very slow going. Don't do that. They say the minimum is, 3 a week. That's okay. Me, I like to try and upload one every single day. And it doesn't have to be like me. I have Rustic Trends. It's all about making, custom patio, furniture, custom outdoor bars, custom outdoor patio kitchens, things like that. But I'm sure there's other things I will do. It doesn't have to do with Rustic Trends. Hey, if there's something I see, it's a really good subject matter, then I'll do it. I even take my tools, okay, that I use, and I do a review on them, which isn't bad, okay? I'm not one of these guys who takes a brand new tool out of the box that's never been used, and hey, we're going to compare this to something else that's brand new out of the box. And okay, this screw gun works better than this one. Let's test it out. I'm sorry, in my eyes, a brand new tool is not going to show you the performance. If you use something that, no matter what it is, okay, if you've used it for a couple of months repeatedly, that right there is going to be your learning ground of how well that thing performs, how well it is held up, what uses it's good for, things like that, okay? So do some product testing. If you're a woman or whatever and you have new makeup, show it. Show that, hey, I've used this every single day for a week. It doesn't smudge. It doesn't come off real easy. Or this other one that I use, I've used it for like a week. It doesn't work that well. But if you do it just brand new that day and put it on and go, oh, it's fantastic. I'm sorry. Only time in using it is going to show how well a product performs. Just like your subject matter. The more you do it, the more you perform, the more you learn. You understand what I'm talking about? So now, you get a really good idea and a really good feel. You're going to make a lot of errors and mistakes. It happens, especially when you're new to YouTube. When I first started doing mine, you're nervous. You don't know what you're doing, especially when you don't have anybody to teach you at all. Like me, I didn't have anybody. I just dove into it head first and figured it out on my own. So if you screw up in the beginning, don't get discouraged. It's going to happen, And if people write bad comments to you, don't sweat it. Don't take it to heart. Learn from it. You're going to get people that are going to be jealous of you. You're going to get haters because you're actually doing something with your life. You're going, hey, you know what? I'm going to make a YouTube channel and I'm going to show the world and family and friends what I'm doing. Not everybody is always going to agree with you, just like everybody might not agree with this video. If you do, great. If not, then it's just not for you. But keep pushing. Keep moving forward. You will learn what to do and what not to do. Okay? So don't give up. Stay strong with it. This is 2019. It is a brand new year. If it's a brand new channel for you, I wish you all the luck in the world. And if you want to put any comments, I will try and guide you in the right direction as much as I can. So now, to grow my YouTube family and help you grow yours, I hope I helped you out a lot. So please hit that subscribe and like button and hit that bell. That is your notification button. That will tell you whenever I put out a new video. So welcome to 2019. And it's going to be a new you, a new channel, new everything. Good luck in everything you're doing. Take care.